Hello, welcome to Char. In this session, we will learn about unsigned integer built-in function or uInt built-in function. So let's go through that. So for that, here I have created one program. So let's take this in edit mode. And for the demo purpose, we have declared different type of data types. The first one is for logical, where we have stored the value as 1. Second is decimal, where we have stored the value as 10.5. Third is integer, where we have stored the value as 50. And fourth one is the character, where we are storing the 103 as a string. Now on line number 16, we are using unsigned integer output variable. We have declared it so that we can store the output which we will retrieve with the help of percentile uint built-in function. Okay, now see how we are using it. So the syntax is quite simple. You just need to pass the variable that you want to convert to unsigned integer inside the percentile unsigned integer parenthesis, and then it will convert the value for you. So here on line number 20, I'm using chgvar command. So I'm just writing chgvar and then taking F4. So once we take F4, it will show this screen where you can pass the output variable as unsigned integer output, and where we will store the output which we will retrieve from the unsigned integer function. And in new value, we are using percentile uint, where we are converting the logical variable to unsigned integer. In second scenario, we are using the same command chgvr, and there we are using percentile integer to convert the decimal value. So here, once this line number 25 got executed, it will convert the decimal value to unsigned integer, and then we are printing that on screen with the help of sndpgmmsg command. And we know that inside sndpgmmsg command, we are not supposed to use any other character apart any other data type apart from character. So for that reason, we are converting the value into character type. Third scenario is for converting the integer value to unsigned integer. So same process, just need to pass the variable which is of integer type, and then we will use this percentile unsigned integer or percentile uint to convert the value into unsigned integer. Third and the last scenario is for converting the character value. So whatever the value we have stored in character variable, we will convert that to unsigned integer by using chgvar. So just write chgvar. Chgvar is mainly for changing the value of the variable. Okay, so I'm taking F4, and then here we can pass the variable name. So my variable name is unsigned output, and in new value we are using the percentile unsigned integer character. Okay, so with the help of percentile unsigned integer, and we are passing the variable as character, so it will convert the character value to unsigned integer value, and then we are printing that on screen with the help of sndpgmmsg command. So let's try to compile it and see the output. So I have compiled it and it is compiled successfully. Now we will call this. So you can see that first output is 1, second is 10, third is 50, and fourth is 102. Here we are printing after converting the value into character, but the purpose of printing this value is just to show the values that we have retrieved with the help of percentile unsigned integer after converting it. Okay, but if you are not converting it to character, then it will be same as unsigned integer value. So suppose there is any requirement where you want to perform some mathematical operation on these type of data type, then you can easily convert that with the help of unsigned integer value, and then you can use in your program. So this is also a similar kind of built-in function for type converter, like we have already learned about the percentile char, percentile dec, and percentile int. So in the same way, we can use this percentile unsigned integer also. Okay, so I hope that is clear to all of you, and for that's all for this session. In the upcoming session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Char.